Welcome, my dear friends. Welcome once again to Soggy's Workshop. Listen, today's video is going to be a bit different than usual, but I believe that the subject matter is important, especially these days. It's a way to alleviate that tremendous strain that gas prices is putting on your budget. And unless you're a politician or movie star, you know very well what I'm talking about. 25 years ago, I lost my driver's license, so I started riding buses at first. But the transport time and missing buses started to weigh heavy on me. That is when I began my first endeavor into motorized bicycles. Oh man, what an experience it has been. The first year or two, I really struggled with flat tires, popping chains, flying spokes, stolen bikes, leaking gas. It was not easy, but I kept watching videos on YouTube and not having much choice, I hung in there. It wasn't easy, my friends. However, man oh man, I cannot express what a favorable turn of fate losing my license became. I certainly see the Lord's hand in it. Otherwise, I would have continued as I was, saddled with a fat car payment, never-ending insurance payments, tags, fuel prices, tires, maintenance, oil, and don't even mention mechanic fees when they break down. People who balk at $400 or $500 for a motorized bike always amuses me. We will put $600 or $700 on a bike and not even think twice about it. And I'm halfway between a tramp and a hobo, my friends. Consider why that is. In the past 25 years, I have not had to worry about any of those constant financial drains provided by the pleasure of owning an automobile. It was like a great big heavy chain dragging me down. And this was when gas was affordable. Please listen to me. I tried to convince all of my friends face to face, not for my own benefit, but for theirs and yours, my friend. Listen to me. Listen to your friend Soggy. Get yourself a motorized bicycle. Learn it, build it, break it, fix it, and once your skill advances, it will be a fantastic weight off of your shoulders. Personally, we have a few at this point. We may be fiddling with a couple at a time, but we always keep at least one in a ready-to-ride condition. And I can jump on it and ride it hard all day long. I honestly don't carry air pumps or tools anymore. It took time and years of experience with failure and mistakes and breakdowns to achieve a stable ride. But well worth it, well worth it. I'm all over town at times. Let's just take a look at the odometers. Now, with all that, even on a busy month, I can't go through $10 worth of gas. And this is why even a bum like me won't bat an eye at dropping $500 or $600 on a bike. And here is another point I found interesting, my friends. The more miles you put on them, the better they run. This is a fact. Just take a look at this. One of my first builds, it has over 1,500 miles on it, and it runs better now than it ever has. We are so pleased with this performance that we have slotted it for a new saddle, the new body, and the handlebar upgrade. This motor is over 15 years old. Now, as far as any law enforcement is concerned, as long as it has pedals on it, it is considered a bicycle. In all these years, I've never been stopped or hassled on a motorized bicycle. Actually, I have gotten a compliment or two from police officers. So, in conclusion, my friends, it wasn't easy. I had to learn to work on them and also how to safely ride on them, which is a thing in and of itself. But if you are willing to take on the challenge and earn your stripes, you can come out on the other side free and clear, free of the crushing weight of not only automobile expenses that are slowly but constantly bleeding you dry. Anyhow, think it over. May God bless you, and remember, stay true to the God of heaven and His Son Jesus Christ. This is Soggy signing off. Ay, 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 ay.